3.52. He lost nearly 5 seconds on that opening lap through turn 9. Fourth gear now, pinned on the MotoGP bike, dropping down the spectacular.
Up the inside of Mir, he's going to get Zarco too. Rins having to bail out of that one ever so slightly.
Control or something was still activated, or something there. Speed limiter on, maybe. Something has happened there, hasn't it, for Marc Marquez? I wonder if he's mistakenly not in doubt. It was a shocker for Marc Marquez. 9th place on the grid, knew he had to be
right on board with him on the left-hand side of his screen. He's up behind Miguel Oliveira. The KTMs have made a bit of ground, but Miguel Oliveira up to 15th. He's about to have Marc Marquez for company, and Brad Binder's game
fully focused on the recovery here of the 8-times world champion. Now then, Marco Bezzecchi, the rear there of Marco Bezzecchi's Ducati machine. Let's hope it's not going to be a terminal issue for him when it's dropping.
Spargaro, who's actually gaining on this leading group. You can see Joan Mir at the back of the group, then a little bit of a gap. Aleix Espargaro
then into the points already. It's taken him, what, 2.5 laps to get himself up into 14th. Marco Bezzecchi, apparently.
Alex Rins just getting past Fabio Quartararo, man, just into turn 11. Quartararo to the Suzuki of Alex Rins.
So Jack Miller then leads hard on the front end of that Ducati. Mechanical problem for Marco Bezzecchi. He's getting the black flag with the orange disc. He's also getting the mess. Now Marco Bezzecchi, has he gone down again? Or has he just decided to park it in Argentina, which put him to the top of the coveted Rookie of the Year prize? Looking back there briefly at the pole man in 6th place, and that's where he is now in 6th spot. A whole bunch of fast laps being exchanged. 2:04, 1:46. This is a real intense battle raging here between Fabio front.
Impressively, given that he's overtaken people, Marc Marquez is as fast as these guys. He has the pace, but he's got an awful lot of work still to do. He still trails Maverick Viñales in 13th.
Yeah, now the question is, I suppose, in terms of Marc Marquez, is just how much is he having to use 14th place, still trying to close that gap down to Maverick Viñales and Brad Binder. Down versus Ducati, and here comes Zarco up the inside of Pecco Bagnaia. Bagnaia hasn't got the early race pace. Bagnaia swept straight back on through, and he's back in 4th.
Aleix Espargaro is coming under pressure. Way off. Brad Binder has to suddenly get out of the way. Marquez out braking himself completely.
I tell you what, he was out of control there. And Brad Binder were pretty fortunate there not to get collected by Marc Marquez. Back then with your grid, a historic achievement yesterday for Ducati. It's gone to Plan A so far. Plan A certainly for Chile have it easily, is he? But this time around, Zarco will have the inside line for the swing down.
Laps around, he matched the